Travis Ferris. Travis Ferris, the topic is fill what's empty, empty what's full. Fill what's empty, empty what's full. Travis Ferris.
Thank you. Fill what's empty, empty what's full. Quite an interesting topic. I would say it can be applied across a broad spectrum of, I guess, humanity, personally and socially. Filling what's empty for myself has been public speaking. It's something that I felt I wanted to accomplish, that I wanted to achieve, and to take the steps to fill what's empty is why I'm here today. Empty what's already full. That's a little bit more difficult. I think it probably goes back to maybe excess in your own life, excess in society, excess personally, something that you can eliminate from your life, something that has gone beyond its limits that you set for itself, whether it be personal addiction, whether it would be character traits that you would like to tone down a bit. These are certain things that I think that you could clear and empty what's already full. So for me, filling what's empty and emptying what's full is improving upon the things that you want to improve upon